Okay, my dear students, before class we have discussed about the differentiation of the implicit function. You know that implicit function means f of x comma y equals 0. We cannot express the y in terms of x. So many problems I explained. Now today we are going to the most important method, logarithmic differentiation. Logarithmic differentiation. When we apply the logarithms, how to do the logarithmic differentiation is very easy way, no problem. When you apply the logarithms, you know the formulas for some basic formulas of the logarithms, no. Now it is interlinkage between the exponential and logarithms, exponential functions and logarithmic functions. What is the meaning of the exponential functions? Exponential functions are the two types: common exponential functions, natural exponential functions. Whenever it is called common exponential functions, whenever it is called the natural exponential functions. Whenever the base is 10, means number base, whenever, for suppose y is equal b power x is there, here b is the number, x is a variable. This is called exponential function. Actually this is called exponential function, b power x, where 100% b, 2 power x, 3 power x, 4 power x, 5 power x, 7 power x, whatever may be. What is the domain of this one? Means it is defined every real number, means domain is R. But what is the range? Means only positive numbers, we cannot get the negative numbers. Remember that one. It is defined b power x, means exponential functions are defined every real value, cannot get the plus infinity, minus infinity. That's why the domain of the exponential function is R. The range is always positive numbers only. We will not get the negative number. Suppose x value minus 1, b power minus 1 means 1 by b. We cannot get the negative values. b power x. Here for suppose b 10, that is called common exponential functions. That is called 10 power x. For suppose b value is equal to e power x, that is called natural exponential functions. Natural exponential functions. Natural exponential functions. Okay, my dear students. Now, this is the exponential function, this is also exponential function. Now, for suppose a power x is equal to b. Here always 100% b is always positive, b greater than 1. b positive 100%. A power exponential function must and should, for suppose is equal to b means 100% it is positive, where x is any real number a. Now it is converted into the logarithms. How to convert the logarithms? This is equal, x is equal to logarithm of b to the base a. b value always, here b always positive, b greater than 1. Logarithmic functions defined only for positive integers. b positive, b greater than 0, b greater than 0. What is the domain of the logarithm function? Means belongs to, for suppose 0 to infinity, only positive number. Here base, the base always greater than 1. X is equal, how to write? A power x is equal to n, per suppose. Now both side apply the logarithm, no problem at all. Both side apply the logarithm means logarithm of a power x is equal log n. Now log a to the power of m formula, m log a, x log a is equal to log n. Now x is equal to log n by log a. This is nothing but the log n to the base a. Log n to the base a. Yes, that's why a power x is equal to n directly. X is equal to logarithm of n to the base a, where a value must and should greater than 1, n value must and should positive. What is the range? Means we get the negative value also, no problem at all. The domain of the logarithms is always the positive numbers. What the range means? Real numbers. Exponential functions domain is the real numbers, range is only positive numbers. Logarithm functions domain is positive numbers, range is the real numbers. Okay, my dear students, that is equal x is equal log n to the base a. Here base is 10. That is called, whenever the base is 10, that is called, what is that is called? Common logarithms. Whenever base is e, that is called natural logarithms. Now some more problems on the any power 0. First, how to convert the exponential functions into the logarithms. We remember this one. 100% we need this one. A power x is equal to n, x is equal to log into the base a. Now here, some more properties of the logarithm functions. Okay. First read these properties. After that, we will go to the problems. How to do the problem? Whenever you will give the exponential function, we will take the logarithm. We will get the answer easily. A power x. You know the formula a power x into log a base e. E means natural logarithm. Base 10 means common logarithms. Okay, my dear students. Now, a power 0 equal to 1. You know the formulas all. Okay. If a power x is equal to n, a value must and should greater than 1, n value is positive, x is any real number, no problem at all. Now x is equal logarithm log of n to the base a. Okay, my dear students, n positive, a greater than 1. Next, third step. Log of a to the base a. Logarithm value, base value both are same. The answer is 0. Fourth one. Log 1 to the any base. The answer is 0. Logarithm of 1 to the any base is 0. Sorry. Log a base a. Same logarithm is 1. Logarithm value, base value is same. That is equal to 1. Log of 1 to the any base is 0. Okay, my dear students. Next, fifth one. Log a base b is equal log a by log b. Here you write, per suppose base, per suppose you write e, here also e. Per suppose you write 10, here write 10. Per suppose here base x, write x. Base y, base y. Whenever you split here, no problem at all. Next, sixth one. Logarithm of a to the power of m base b. Per suppose, no problem at all, base b. Now logarithm of a to the power of m means m log a base b. Next, seventh one. Logarithm of a power m b power n, that equal to m by n log a base b. M by n logarithm of a to the base b. Log of a to the power of m base a to the power of m b power n, base b power n, that equal to m by n log a b. Next one. Logarithm of ab with base e or base 10, whatever may be. Log ab, log a plus log b with base b. For suppose log abc, what is the formula? Log abc, log a plus log b plus log c. Log a by b. Logarithm of a by b with base something x. Whatever we take, you will take the x base. Why? You take the natural logarithm, common logarithm. Okay, base x. Log a by b base x. What happened? Log a base x minus log b base x. For suppose 10th one. Log a b c by d. What happened? Whenever the product is there, log a plus log b plus log c minus log d. What happened this one? Log a plus log b plus log c minus log d with base same. Okay, my dear students. Now, e power log x base e. Where x under e 100%, you know the positive value. E means 2.7 something exponential function. Already I explained the class level. E power log x base e, that is nothing but the x. E power log x base e. This base equal, this value is equal to x. Okay, my dear students. You remember these all formulas. We will do very easily. When we apply the logarithm, the function must and should either exponential function or the logarithmic function. Exponential functions means, for suppose, exponential function means 10 power x, 5 power x. You know the formula. 10 power x means 10 power x into log 10 base e. 5 power x means 5 power x into log 5 base e. You know the formulas. You know the formula for exponential functions. But base, not a number. What is this? Suppose this is f of x power g of x. F of x power g of x means function power function. Here before x power n. X is the function, for suppose, but it is not a function. This is number. X power n. X is the base is the function, but index is not a function. That's why exponent formula n into exponent minus 1. Here observe that function power function means x power sin x. This is function, this is function. Log x power tan x. Function power function. Whenever we will get the function power function, whenever you see the function power function, 100% you have to differentiate by using the logarithms. That is called logarithmic differentiation. Okay, what is the general process? How to do the working rule? Now, whenever you apply the logarithms, compulsory the function in the form of f of x power g of x means x power x, x power sin x, cos x power log x, tan x power secant x, x power e power x, root x power sin x, whatever may be. Function power function, whenever we see the function power function, must and should, that is the logarithmic differentiation. For suppose f of x power g of x. Whenever the function, given function in the form of the function power function, compulsory we apply the logarithmic differentiation. What is the process is going on, we will see. For suppose this is equal to y. Whenever we observe the function power function, compulsory we taking the logarithms on both sides. Taking logarithms on both sides. Let y is equal to this one. Taking logarithm on both sides. Or taking log on both sides. With the base, any base. You are observed taken natural logarithm, no problem. Logarithm of y with base c, no problem at all. Logarithm of natural logarithm you will take, okay. With base c meaning that is called f of x power g of x. Log y. You know the formula? Logarithm of a to the power of m. Logarithm of a to the power of m. M means g of x into log of f of x. G of x into log of f of x. Log a to the power of m means log a to the power of m. M log a. You know the formula? Log a to the power of m is equal to m log a. M is imprint of the logarithm. Here, the power completely goes down the natural equation. Now differentiate. Here this is one function, this is another function. Compulsory apply UV method. Now differentiating with respect to x, you find the dy by dx. You will find the dy by dx. Differentiating with respect to x. D by dx of log y is equal to d by dx of g of x into log of f of x. Derivative of log y. What is the formula of derivative of log x? 1 by x. Y derivative you know. Before that's why I am telling you implicit functions. Derivative of log y is, derivative of log y is 1 by y. Derivative of log y with respect to x. Derivative of log y 1 by y. Y derivative dy by dx. Now here apply UV method. Derivative of UV. First u into g of x into derivative of log x. Derivative of log x means 1 by f of x into f dash of x plus UV method, u into derivative of log x. Derivative of log x means 1 by x. Again f of x derivative is f dash of x plus v log of f of x into g of x derivative g dash of x. Okay, my dear students. Okay, now 1 by y means that side y. Now dy by dx is equal y into what happened this one? G of x into f dash of x by f of x plus g dash of x into log f of x. F dash means derivative of the given function. You remember this formula, you will easily do. Now substitute y. Y means what is just y? F of x power g of x. Now for suppose y is equal to f of x power g of x, the derivative of that one is equal to y into g of x into means index into f dash of x by f of x, g of x derivative into log of f of x. Easily remember the formula, otherwise we will do the method. Which one? You will feel easy That one we will do. Okay, we will do that one. Now, okay. Whenever the function power function, must and should, we will apply the logarithms differentiation, logarithmic differentiation. Okay, my dear students. Okay. Now, we will go to the problems. First one, x power x. Find the derivative of x power x. Function power function. That's why we will take, find the dy by dx. That's why we will take y or f or whatever may be. Let y is equal to x power x. Whenever function power function means both side taking logarithm. Both side taking logarithm. Okay. Both side taking log. With base e, natural logarithms. Okay. Log y is equal to log of x power x. Log y is equal to log a to the power of m means x log x. Now differentiating with respect to x. You remember what the derivative of log y? 1 by y into dy by dx. 100%. Log y derivative 1 by y derivative with respect to x. Now uv method. X into u into derivative of v 1 by x means log x derivative 1 by x plus log x into x derivative is 1. Okay, my dear students. Now this x cancel. Dy by dx is equal 1 by y means y into here 1 plus log x. Now dy by dx is equal y means x power x into 1 plus log x. That is d by dx of derivative of x power x. What is the formula derivative of x power x? X power x into 1 plus log x. Derivative of x power x. Remember, this is very, very important formula. Derivative of x power x into 1 plus log x. Derivative of x power x is equal to x power x into 1 plus log x. Okay. This way we will do the problems. Very, very easy way. Okay, my dear student. Next we will go to another problem. X power sin x. X power sin x. X power sin x. Now function power function. Algebraic trigonometry. Let y is equal. Taking log on both sides. Logarithm of y is equal to logarithm of x power sin x. Now log y is equal to sin x into log x. Log a to the power of m log a. Now differentiating with respect to x. Log y derivative 1 by y into dy by dx. UV method sin x into log x derivative 1 by x plus log x into sin x derivative cos x. Derivative of UV product rule. Now dy by dx is equal y into sin x by x plus cos x into log x. What is the value of y? Y means x power sin x into sin x by x plus cos x into log x. Okay, my dear students, this type of questions will occur in the examination point of view. Okay, we will go to the next problems. For suppose differentiate log x power x plus x power log x. This is the question. Differentiate log x power x plus x power log x. For suppose this is y. Let y is equal. Differentiate with respect to x means dy by dx we will find. Whenever for suppose we can apply the logarithm directly. In between plus is there. For suppose plus is there. Log of a plus b. What is the formula of log of a plus b? Log of a plus b is equal to log a plus log b? No. Log a into b. Okay, log of a plus b is not equal to log a plus log b. That's why whenever the function power function in between plus is there, directly we cannot apply the logarithm. Now we will take the This is individual function. We can take the this is individual function. After that, what happened? First of all, y is equal to, this is a, per suppose, capital A. Per suppose this is b. A is in terms of x, not constant. Or u, whatever may be. Per suppose this is u, this is b, v. Now differentiate. Y derivative with respect dy by dx, du by dx plus dv by dx. In this way. Whenever plus is there in the exponent, means function power function, in between plus is there, we cannot directly take in the logarithm. Why? Because log of a plus b not equal to log a plus log b. That's why we will find the separate differentiation. That's why this is u, this is v. After that, those values you will substitute here. Understood? That's why first we will take this one. Let u is equal to log x power x. Log x power x. Now taking the logarithm. Again this is v, taking the logarithm. Okay, my dear students. That's why I am telling you. Whenever plus is there, we cannot take the logarithm directly. Why? Because log of a plus b not equal to log a plus log b. Okay, my dear students. Now apply the logarithm. Now okay, 1 minute here. Very big problem, 100%. Long answer type questions. Let u is equal to log x power x. Now function power function. That's why log u is equal to, directly write, log of log x power x. Now log u is equal to log a to the power x into log of log x. Okay, my dear students, log of log x. Now differentiate. Differentiate with respect to x. Log u derivative 1 by u, u derivative du by dx. Log y derivative 1 by y with respect to x means dy by dx into dy by dx. Here uv method. Product rule. X into logarithm of x 1 by log x into 1 by x. X into log x derivative 1 by x, internal function log x, second derivative of log x 1 by x plus v log of log x into x derivative is 1. Now here x cancel. Now du by dx is equal u into, here u into 1 by log x plus log of log x. 1 by log x plus log of log x. What is u? U means log x power x. Okay, log x power x into, you write here, say. This is completed. Now second one is v. V is equal to x power log x. Let v is equal to x power log x. Okay, my dear students. Now taking logarithm on both sides. Log v is equal to logarithm of x power log x. Now log v is equal to log x into log x. Log x into log x. Log x into log x, log x whole square. Here in print log x into log x. Log v is equal to log x whole square. Now differentiating with respect to x. 1 by v into v into dv by dx. What is the major function? X square. What is the derivative of x square? 2 log x. Internal function is log x into 1 by x. Now dv by dx is equal to v into 2 log x by x. 2 log x by x. What is v? X power log x into 2 log x by x. This is dv by dx. Now y. What is y? Y is equal to u plus v. This is u, this is v. Now what is our goal? Differentiate of the given function, means differentiate with respect to x. Now dv by dx is equal du by dx plus dv by dx. Okay, my dear students. Now dv by dx already find log x power x into this one 1 by log x plus log of log x plus dv by dx. What is the dv by dx? X power log x into 2 log x by x. That is long answer questions. So many questions are there in the textbook. We will do. We will practice each and every question. Okay. Now we will go to the another problem. What is the problem is going on? Now differentiate Next model, we will go to next. Function power function. In between plus, blunder mistake. The students did the blunder mistake. Directly apply the what is that one? Logarithms. Whenever in between the plus is there, we cannot direct apply the logarithm. We cannot apply the logarithm. Why? Because logarithm of a plus b not equal to log a plus log b. That's why we cannot direct apply. Okay. Individually we will do. Each and every function individually we will do. After that, differentiate. Okay. Now, one question is going on. What is that one? Differentiate. Differentiate root over x minus 3 into x square plus 4 by 3x square plus 4x plus 5 with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Okay, my dear students. Whenever this type of questions, directly means it is very, very lengthy problem. That's why you can apply the logarithm. Y is equal to, take log on both sides. Log y is equal to, root means power 1 by 2. Okay, log of x minus 3 x square plus 4 by 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Root is there. Root means power 1 by 2. Okay, my dear student. This is log a to the power of m. Log a to the power of m means m log a. That is log y is equal to 1 by 2 into logarithm of x minus 3 into x square plus 4 by 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Already explained the formulas. Product division. Already what I am telling? Logarithm of AB by C. What is the formula? Log A plus log B minus log C. Product means plus, division means minus. Log A plus log B by C means minus log C. Okay, 1 by 2 common all. 1 by 2 into log of this one plus log of this one minus, denominator means 100% minus, log of 3x square plus 4x plus 5. This is log y. Now differentiate with respect to x. Log y derivative 1 by y into dy by dx, 1 by 2 into. Now tell me log x derivative 1 by x minus 3, x derivative 1 minus 3 derivative 0, no need. 1 by log x derivative 1 by x square plus 4 into 2x, y into 2x, x square derivative is 2x plus 4 derivative is 0, minus log x derivative 1 by x into 3x, x square derivative 2x, 2x into 3 6x plus 4x derivative is 4 plus 5 derivative is 0. Now dy by dx is equal to y into, write down y by 2, here y by 2 into 1 by x minus 3 plus 2x by x square plus 4 minus of 6x plus 4, 6x plus 4 by 3x square plus 4x plus 5. You write same as it is here, this one. This type will do the problems. Okay. Now we will go to the another problem. This is very, very important problem. Find dy by dx if y power x plus x power y plus x power x is equal to a power b. Find dy by dx if x power y plus y power x plus x power x is equal to a power b. Here observe that find dy by dx 100%. In between plus function power function, function power function, function. This formula already you know. Derivative of x power x means x power x into 1 plus log x. You know very well. Now y power x plus x power y. In between plus is there. We cannot direct apply the logarithm. Individually we will find. This is u, this is v. For suppose this is w, no problem at all. Okay, my dear students. Now first we will take the u. Let u is equal to y power x. U is equal to y power x. Taking log on both sides. Log u is equal to, directly apply logarithm of y power x means x log y taking log on both sides. Logarithm of y power x means x log y. Okay, differentiating with respect to x. 1 by u into du by dx is equal to uv method. X into log y derivative 1 by y into dy by dx plus log y into x derivative is 1. Log y into x derivative is 1. Okay, my dear students. Now du by dx is equal to u into x by y into dy by dx plus log y. U means y power x into x by y dy by dx plus log y. This is over. Next we will go to the second function. V is equal to x power y. This is v. Okay, now taking log on both sides. Log v is equal to immediately y log x. Now differentiating with respect to x. 1 by v dv by dx is equal to y into 1 by x plus log x into dy by dx. UV method, y into log x derivative 1 by x plus log x into y derivative dy by dx. Now dv by dx is equal to v into y by x plus log x into dy by dx. What is v? V means x power y into y by x plus log x into dv by dx. Okay, my dear students. Now here observe that. Now multiply the inner side. This is y power x by x power y. Here y power 1 is there. A power m by a power n. A power m by a power n formula a power m minus 1. How to write this one? Here x into y power x minus 1. Y power x by y power into dy by dx plus y power x into log y. Multiplication. Here observe that x power y means x power y minus 1. Y into x power y minus 1 plus multiply x power y into log x into dy by dx. Okay, my just multiplication. A power m by a power n. A power m minus n. Y power x into log y. Last but not least w. W is equal to x power x. You know the formula directly. Before I already told. Differentiating with respect to x. dw by dx. X power x derivative. X power x into 1 plus log x. Otherwise, we will take the logarithm, we will find out, no problem at all. Now, what is given? Given is equal to this one. Given, this is u, this is v, this is w is equal to a power b. Okay, my dear students. Any doubt? No doubt at all. First, this is u, this is v, this third one w. Now, differentiating with respect to x. du by dx plus dv by dx plus dw by dx is equal to constant, this one. Constant means 0, derivative of a power b, 0. Now substitute first value, this one. Now here x into y power x minus 1 into dy by dx plus y power x log y plus, now this value y into x power y minus 1 plus x power y into log x into dy by dx plus x power x into 1 plus log x is equal to 0. Okay, my dear students. Now these values you have substitute in that one. What is our goal? We will find the dy by dx. Now taken common dy by dx. Where is the dy by dx? X into y power x minus 1 here plus this one x power y into log x. Remaining all that side. This value minus plus 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 all are minus, minus of y power x log y plus x power y log x plus x power x into 1 plus log x. Now dy by dx is equal to minus of y power x log y x power y log x plus x power x into 1 plus log x by this value x into y power x minus 1 plus x power y into log x. Okay, my dear students, these all are the basics. All are means by using the basic definitions of the logarithmic functions, we will do the problems in this way. Okay, I think you understood. Now next we will go to the next another problem, that is the very important. First of all, x power y is equal to y power x. What happened? X power y is equal to y power. Already listen carefully. X power y is equal to y power x. Then find dy by dx. Okay, we will go to that one. Next problem. If x power y is equal to y power x, then find dy by dx. Already function power function is equal to is there. Now both sides applying. No, in between not plus is there, applying the logarithms on both sides. If x power y equal to y power x, then find dy by dx. Now both sides taking the logarithm. Logarithm of x power y is equal logarithm of y power x. Now y into log x is equal to x into log y. Now differentiate with respect to x. Here uv method, here uv method apply. Y into log x derivative 1 by x plus v log x into y derivative is dy by dx. Here uv method, product rule, x into 1 by y into dy by dx plus log y into 1. Now y by x plus log x into dy by dx is equal to x by y into dy by dx plus log y. Okay, dy by dx this side, y by x that side. Log x into dy by dx minus x by y into dy by dx is equal to log y minus y by x. Now here dy by dx taken common out, log x minus x by y. Here taken LCM, x is the LCM, x log y minus y by x. Now dy by dx into taken LCM, y log x minus x by y is equal to x log y minus y by x. Now dy by dx. Now dy by dx is equal to, this is product, means that side. This is y by x into x log y minus y by y log x minus x. This is the problem. Okay, my dear students, I hope that you understood the problems. Okay. Now we will go to the another problem. Very important question for board examination point of view. Very important question. Now this is last question. Okay. If x power m into y power n, x power m into y power n is equal to x plus y whole power m plus n, then prove that dy by dx is equal to how much? Y by x. Y by x. Okay. Now simple. Here function power function is there, function whatever may be product is there. How to directly, it is not possible. That's why 100% you apply the logarithm. Into is there means plus. Now we will take the given this one. Very important question, students. Okay. X power m into y power n is equal to x plus y whole power m plus n. Now taking logarithm on both sides. Logarithm of x power m into y power n is equal to logarithm of x plus y whole power m plus n. Okay, my dear students. Log a to the power of m into b power n. Log a power m into b power n. Log x power m plus log y power n is equal to m plus n into log of x plus y. Directly log a to the power of m. Okay, my dear students. Now this is m log x plus n log y is equal to m plus n into log of x plus y. Do very carefully, otherwise you cannot get the answer. Okay. m log x plus n log y is equal to m plus n into log of x plus y. Now differentiate. Any doubts? No doubt. Differentiating with respect to x. m into log x derivative 1 by x, n into log y derivative 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to m plus n into log x derivative 1 by x plus y into 1 plus dy by dx. Understood? M plus n constant, log x derivative 1 by x, again derivative of x derivative 1, y derivative is dy by dx. Now this is m by x plus this is n by y into dy by dx. This is m plus n by x plus y into m plus n by x plus 1 plus dy by dx. Now rearrangement of the terms. Multiply plus m plus n by x plus y into 1. After this side, this is that side, or that is this side, this is that side. No problem at all. Okay. M by x, n by y into dy by dx is equal to multiply m plus n by x plus y plus m plus n by x plus y into dy by dx. Now this dy by dx that side, that is this side. What happened? Or that is this side, n by y into dy by dx minus m plus n by x plus y into dy by dx is equal to this is that side, m plus n by x plus y minus m by x. Okay. Now taken common dy by dx here. Now dy by dx taken common out, n by y minus m plus n by x plus y. Here m plus n by x plus y minus m by x. Now here LCM. Now dy by dx is into y into x plus y. Now n into x plus y minus y into m plus n is equal here LCM x plus y into x, x into m plus n minus m into x plus y. Just calculation part, my dear students. Here x plus y cancel. What happened? Now dy by dx is into multiply nx plus ny minus my minus ny by y is equal to multiply mx plus nx minus mx minus my. Okay. Here plus ny minus ny cancel. Here plus mx minus nx cancel. What by x is there? Sorry, by x. What happened? Now dy by dx is equal to what is the remaining term? Nx minus my by y. Here nx minus my by x. This one cancel. This is one time, this is one time. Now dy by dx is equal to 1 by y is there. This y by x. Okay, my dear student. This type of problems compulsory will come in the examination. Previous so many times this problem came. Okay. Please review each and every problem. Okay. If you have any doubt, please ask. Okay.